Stallion probation, no. Want the future. From humble beginnings, a dream took flight, bridging the markets, bringing hope to life, with courage to build and faith to lead. Adwa grows from a powerful seed. Through every challenge, strong and true, creating paths for me and you. Across every border, across every sea, we rise together in shared destiny. Hand in hand, we stand as one. A global journey has begun. Adwa Solutions, beyond business, guided by purpose, driven by vision. Adwa Connect, opening doors, uniting the world through trade and more. Adwa, Adwa, a future we build. Trust and hope, the promise fulfilled. From farmers' fields to global exchange, creating pathways, inspiring change, empowering people, strengthening trade. A better tomorrow is being made. Digital bridges strong and wide, connecting the world side by side. Across the oceans, through time and space, we bring opportunity to every place. Together we grow, together we rise, a shared future before us. Adwa Solution, beyond business, guided by purpose, driven by vision. Adwa Connect, opening doors, uniting the world through trade and more. Adwa, Adwa, a future we build. With trust and hope, the promise fulfilled. Found a recognition bearer, turning hope into something greater. Leading with heart, inspiring the way, building tomorrow, starting today. Adwa Solutions, beyond business, trade with integrity, strength and fairness. Adwa Connect, the world aligned, connecting markets, empowering minds.